Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to contact Edward Jones. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.edwardjones.com/unen/contact-us. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is select the subject, then your first name, your last name, your email address, and your number. Once you do so, simply type in the message or your query about which you want to contact the Edward Jones team and hit the submit button on the screen. After you do so, your contact us form will be reviewed and you will be contacted by Edward Jones with a proper solution to your problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.